Hey everyone, are you struggling to make PowerPoint slides from scratch? Say hello to Workppt, your AI-powered shortcut to professional presentations. With Softtooler's smart technology, you can turn any topic, text or PDF into a polished presentation instantly. Whether you're a student preparing assignments, a teacher building lessons, or a professional crafting business decks, Workppt helps you save time and focus on what really matters: your message. Create, present, impress. That's the power of Workppt. Getting started is simple. Click the link in the description, sign up and log in. Right away you'll land on a clean, easy-to-use dashboard, the starting point for your next great presentation. At the center of your Workppt dashboard, you'll see a text box where you can enter any topic to instantly generate a complete presentation. Right below, there's an upload option. Simply add a PDF or other document and Workppt will transform it into slides for you. On the right-hand side, you'll find a panel of smart tools designed to make your work easier. AI Chat, your built-in tutor for questions and subject-related help. AIPDFS, a set of intelligent tools for managing and working with PDF files. AI Summarizers, quickly condense long text into clear, concise summaries. Order List, view and manage the presentations you've generated. Created by you, access all the slideshows you've made so far. Invite List, share your work instantly by sending a simple invite link. Now let's see how it works. Start by typing the topic of your presentation into the text box, and you're ready to begin. For example, let's enter climate change awareness. Next, choose the number of slides you'd like in your presentation. Here I'll select 1 to 10 slides from the options. Once you've set that, just hit enter. Workppt will instantly generate suggested points and topics based on what you entered. After reviewing the suggestions, simply click Generate My Presentation and your professional slides will be ready in moments. Next, let's pick a template. Workppt gives you a wide range of styles to choose from, organized into categories like multi-purpose, business, marketing, technology, nature, and many others. You can preview each design before selecting, so you'll know exactly how your slides will look. Just choose the template that best fits your presentation's theme and Workppt will automatically generate your slides. As you can see, the result is a clean, professional deck, ready to use in minutes. You can also customize your slides to match your style and preferences. On the left side, you will see different editing options. For example, you can insert text either horizontally or vertically. Here I clicked on the horizontal text box and it instantly gave me a box where I can type in new text. Next, there are plenty of text settings you can customize. You can make your text bold, italic, underlined, or even strike through. You can also adjust the font size, expand spacing, change text color, and explore many more formatting options. In addition, there are tools for inserting symbols, adjusting positions, and even applying animations. Here, I added an animation and you can see how beautifully it brings the text to life. Next, let's open the Insert Shape option. Here you'll find a variety of shapes to choose from. You can add any shape to your slide and then customize it with style, position, and even animation effects. After that comes the Insert Lines option. You can add different types of lines to your slides, and just like shapes, you can style, reposition, and animate them as well. Next is the Insert Chart feature. Here you'll see different types of charts available. For example, I inserted a chart here. You can resize it, move it to your preferred spot, and customize it with various settings like style, position, and animation. After that, there's the Insert Table feature. You can create a custom table or choose from preset options. For example, I inserted a table with 3 rows and 3 columns, and it instantly appeared on the slide. Just like other elements, tables can be customized with different styles, positions, and animations. There's also an option to add video or audio using a URL. Along with that, you can insert a logo and adjust its size, position, or design. Finally, you can also insert an image. As you can see, I added an image here, and it can be repositioned, styled, or enhanced with transitions and animations to make your presentation more dynamic. In addition to these editing features, you can replace the template if you're not satisfied with the current design. Once you're satisfied with your edits, simply hit Save. You'll also have the option to share and download your final presentation. Now, Let's take a look at how it works with file uploads. All you need to do is upload a document file, and Workppt will automatically analyze the content and suggest topics for your presentation. Once you've reviewed the suggestions, just click Generate Presentation according to the document. Pick a template that fits your theme, and within seconds, your slides are ready. That's how simple and powerful Workppt is. In just a few clicks, you can transform any topic or document into a professional, well-designed presentation, fully customizable and ready to share. Whether you're a student, teacher, professional, or marketer, Workppt saves you valuable time while making your presentations look polished and impressive. No design skills required. Workppt isn't just a presentation maker, it's an all-in-one productivity platform for creating, editing, and managing presentations and PDFs. By combining AI automation with customization and flexibility, it helps users deliver stunning presentations faster and more efficiently than traditional tools. From smart AI tools like chat assistants, PDF handling, and summarizers, to a wide range of templates, Workppt gives you everything you need to work faster and present better. Once your slides are generated, you can fine-tune them, adjust fonts and layouts, and then save or download your final presentation. So if you want to turn ideas into beautiful, ready-to-use slides in minutes, try Workppt today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and smart tools. See you in the next video.